In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Amazon reviews to your Shopify store. So for this, we're going to be using a website called Elsite. So you want to go to this, I'll probably leave a link in the description down below. You can go to widgets right there and you'll find all of these widgets. So you can go to reviews, then if you scroll down, you should be able to find Amazon right there, Amazon reviews. You want to click on that, which will send you over here. Click on create widget. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can get this onto Shopify as well. So you can then choose a template. So they have a couple of them available, probably, yeah, okay, so 7. Choose the one that you would like to use. I'll just go with the basic one here. Then click on create widget in the top right corner. Oh no, my bad. You want to click on continue with this template first. And this is where you can add a Amazon link. So if you add your product link, click apply, the reviews will show up. You can then customize the header, title, and language. But once you've done that, you want to click on join to install. And this is where you can then sign up for an account. Or if you already have an account like me, you can log in. So I'm going to do that right now. It should then send you back. You want to click save in the top right corner. And this is where you can choose a plan. So Elsite is a website with a lot of different widgets. I'll go with the free one for now, but that's limited. So you have to check out what's best for you. You then want to copy this code over here, then go to Shopify, go to your current theme, click on actions, click on edit code. And then it kind of depends where you want to add this. So you probably want to add this somewhere on your product page. So you want to go to, let's see, where is it? Product.liquid. And this is where you can add this. So for example, if I want to add it, I'll actually do it right here. You then want to paste that code. You then want to click save, and that should actually do the job. So that's pretty much how you can do this. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions or if it's not working, let me know and I'll try and fix it. And yeah, that's it. Have a good day.